Hello! In this, the third of our amazing videos, we're going to start finding out a little bit more about how we're unique. You might be wondering how we're going to use this information that we've gathered to find our amazing. Well, our amazing is in part what we share with others. You have to be able to share part of you with those around you in order to shed light on the world. And it's this ability to move from inaction to action that'll help us cross the bridge and realize our amazing. Each of us has a unique part of us that is all our own. And it's those abilities and talents that we want to learn to share with others that help us to realize our dreams. When I think about being unique, I often think of my children. I am the mother of twins, and when the kids were little, I was a part of a group that was a support group that revolved around the mothers of twins, and the children played together with a lot of other twins. It was amazing to see how even in some twin sets where the children were classified as what we would call identical, there was a uniqueness in each of the children. They might look alike or behave alike. They'd have the same parents. They'd be exactly the same age, but you could tell each of the girls apart, or each of the boys. In my case, I had a boy and a girl, and the differences were startling. All right, now I want you to think about the people that are on your list. Think about those folks that you maybe done some service for recently. Think about how you're different from them. Look at the other side of the paper now and think about how you're unique, how you're in some way different from a lot of people that you know. Hopefully you'll focus on some of the positive things. Things like maybe you're the best cook in the family. Maybe you're the family clown. Are you one of those people that are really good with plants? Or maybe little children? Maybe you're that one special person in the group who always remembers everyone's name. I've always wanted that talent, but it's not one of mine. Once you think about that, I want you to circle 2 or 3 of the ways that you're unique and try to talk to yourself about how those things make you special and about how you can incorporate those into developing your self-awareness. In order to do that, what you really need to do is get some feedback. Now, it's interesting to note that when I was challenged with this very same project, what I came up with was kind of startling because the things that I felt were my strengths weren't exactly what others felt. And that's your next task. Your next task is to go out and find out what others feel your strengths are. You can ask maybe some of the people on your list that you've interacted with during the week, or if you're not comfortable with that, try something I did. I actually put the question on social media. I asked, what are my positive strengths? Help! I also posted a clarification and let people know that I was doing it for a class. It really wasn't too hard to find people that were willing to answer the question, and it helped the project along quite a bit. Now, if you're not comfortable putting things on social media, just go ahead and ask a few people that you trust and that you're comfortable with. Make a few phone calls, maybe send a few notes, write an email, or just ask someone that you happen to be working with, maybe at work. At any rate, that's your assignment. Go find out what other people think your strengths are and compare them to those that you've listed on the second page. Get that done, and I'll see you in the next video. From 2 Girls Getting Real, cheers!